VBT Innovations Incorporated is a privately owned high-technology company located in Canada's Technology Triangle. We are a startup company recently spun out of the University of Waterloo, and we have developed virtual button technology, the ability to locate an impulse input on any surface of any device. This includes corners, edges, curved surfaces, globe-shaped surfaces, any irregular surface.
I'm going to give you a demonstration of virtual buttons implemented on a standard LCD monitor. Currently we're in picture viewing mode, but if I tap on the top, we're in album viewing mode, where I can tap along the sides to see the various albums within the album. I want to see pictures in Toronto, so I'm going to click into this album. Now I can tap and see the pictures. And after a while, it will transition between the pictures within this album.
Virtual button technology combines MEMS microelectromechanical systems-based hardware with vibration analysis and pattern recognition algorithms to determine the characteristics such as intensity and location of input anywhere on the existing surfaces of a device. Virtual button technology is a third dimension of user interface technology. The first dimension includes mechanical buttons, one button, one active location, one functionality. The second dimension includes touchscreens. You've got an active overlay, a flat two-dimensional surface. The third dimension is virtual button technology. Virtual buttons can be placed on any existing surface of any form factor. They're virtual because they don't require an active component at the location of the input. This allows design freedom for user interface designers. They can conform the virtual button technology to the ergonomic design, the existing ergonomic design, instead of having to constrain the design through the limitations of the technology. There are two main advantages of applying virtual buttons to a digital photo frame. The first is uncompromised image quality. There is no overlay, meaning we have 100% optical clarity. The second advantage is that you can retain the traditional look and feel of a traditional photo frame, eliminating the need for applying ugly buttons on the casing of the device. The hardware advantages of virtual button technology include the size of the MEMS microelectromechanical systems based hardware. The sensors can be on the order of a few millimeters by a few millimeters, meaning a very small footprint on the printed circuit board. There's also some flexibility in the location of those sensors, giving design freedom to the printed circuit board designer. Virtual buttons also have a very low power consumption associated with those motion sensors. It's on the order of a few microamps for standby mode and 1 or 2 milliamps for active mode. The cost of the sensing hardware for virtual buttons is also quite low. It's to enable, say, a smartphone, it would be on the order of a few dollars. Thank you for taking the time to allow us to explain virtual button technology and some of the advantages that virtual buttons have. We believe that virtual buttons have the capacity to revolutionize user interface technology in a number of different fields. We at the VBT team are continuing to apply virtual buttons to new applications and continuing core technical development, improving the technology.